So these tires are approaching 20,000 miles right now, and it's raining pretty good. There's not even a hint of attempting hydroplaning. We're just setting speed control at 55, and I wanted to see how it would do. You can see there's a lot of water stacked up on the road. The Falken T4Ws are performing excellent, even with higher miles on them. Oh, we just got a sissy spot, man. Start pouring again. Come on now. We've had all this patchy rain lately. Maybe it'll start pouring here in a second again. That'd be nice. There was a little bit of a puddle of water, but didn't quite hydroplane. Get some heavier rain here. More or less, these tires are easily able to outdrive the wipers or your forward view ahead. It would be very easy to not be able to see where the heck you're going, even with the wipers on high. This is high, unfortunately, on this Expedition. In my opinion, the wipers do not move fast enough. When it's really pouring, they don't move enough water to have you see forward, so the tires are better than your forward view. So I'm not going to do too much more of this because you got the picture. But they do seem to be holding up very well. I am looking forward to seeing how they perform in the snow this coming winter, as it will be the tire's second winter, and we drive our Expedition a lot. Unfortunately, a lot of miles get put on this, and I guess it just means we're getting our money out of it, right? A lot of wind here, wow. That is max wiper, so really any more rain than that, I would have started slowing down for sure. You just can't see. These systems are so pointless. No cross traffic alert. You might as well just not have any of the sensors, because as soon as it rains, it doesn't work.